Imagine accessing all your favorite channels without cable. IPTV services make this possible with ease. By using Internet Protocol, IPTV transmits content via the Internet, bypassing traditional satellite signals. This technology brings TV content to you instantly, no matter where you are, thanks to your Internet connection. With IPTV, viewers enjoy on-demand access to shows, movies, and live events, broadening entertainment choices. The magic lies in converting traditional media into digital formats for seamless streaming over the internet. Unlike typical TV broadcasts that adhere to schedules, IPTV lets you watch whenever it suits you best. Customers often subscribe to IPTV services for a monthly fee, gaining access to a vast library of content. IPTV isn't just about content selection. It's also customizable with several packages and channels. Users appreciate the interactive features of IPTV, such as catch-up TV and pause and play options. The quality of your IPTV experience depends on your internet speed and the reliability of the service. Consider supporting our channel by trying out IPTV from 2tv.store, known for excellent service quality. Getting started with IPTV is straightforward. Select suitable hardware, like a smart TV or adapter. Download necessary applications to your device, providing seamless, direct content access via IPTV services. For best performance, connect your device to a fast, reliable internet, ensuring buffer-free streaming. Explore IPTV today and reimagine your entertainment experience, embracing the future of digital TV. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for updates.